What's up guys? Today I am making a healthier rendition of our super awesome Bubur Lambuk. It is also known as Congee. So I'm making it with beef as my protein base and super healthy, no ingredients that we actually don't need. This one right here, this recipe really, it's Ramadan all over the world right now and Muslims all over the world are fasting. So back in Singapore, even Malaysia, just before we break our fast, mosque will start to distribute this for free and it's really awesome. It really tastes like home. It's such a comfort food. So let's get started into this. So I've got my ingredients lined up right in front of me and I'm going to start off with a pot of boiling water. It's about 2 liters of water right here. Alright, so as soon as the water is fairly boiling, okay, I'm going to add in my onions. So, onions and garlic. So ginger. Some lemongrass and pop in the pandan leaves for really good, nice smell into it. Okay, so we have cinnamon stick or kayu manis. We also have our star anise and bunga lawang, that's what they call it in Malay. And then we have our cardamom seeds, again we call it buah pelaga in Malay. And last but not least, I'm also using some cloves. So we call this bunga cengkeh. Alright guys, so I'm adding in my cinnamon stick, star anise, cardamom and cloves right into this. Just give it a little stir. Ooh, I can smell the pandan. And just cover it up a little bit. Ooh, yay, it's finally boiling. Awesome. Alright, so as soon as the water is boiling, we're gonna add in our rice. So I'm using about 200 grams of rice. Okay, I'm using brown basmati rice. So on into this it goes. So just spread this bit out. Give it a little stir. Now once you've tipped in the rice, okay, we're gonna add in our minced beef into this, okay? So I've got my beef right here. So I'm just gonna tip it in. Minced beef right into this. Alright guys, so I have just been cooking this for the last 20-ish minutes, just getting the rice to be pretty cooked, okay? As you can see how it looks like, I'm just gonna stir it up right here. Oh, the smell is amazing. Awesome. Alright, so what's next? We are gonna add in all the ground spices. So I have my turmeric. So add this in. Ground cumin. Add this in. Ground black pepper. Add this in. And of course, some salt. Alright. So of course you can adjust that when you start trying it out later on. So it's all good. If you need more salt later on, you can. So we're just gonna stir it up to mix. Perfect. Oof. Looks amazing. So once you've added all the spices, we're gonna turn the heat to low and we're just gonna let it simmer for about 20 to 30 minutes. So, let's check this one out, guys. Ooh, look at that. Looks amazing. Awesome. So the thing about brown rice, and I've used brown basmati rice, is just take a little tad bit longer for it to cook as well, and you might still feel a little bit of the grainy effect, but you know what? All in the name of health, it's all good. So once that's done, I'm gonna add in my light coconut milk right here. Ooh. So I'm just gonna pour this in. Oh, perfect. And finally, some dried shrimp. So I've kind of like really ground this. Give it a little stir. Oh, wow. I am hungry and I am fasting right now, so this is insane. Look at that. Once the coconut milk is in, it looks amazing. Look at this. Wow, wow, wow. This is awesome, guys. So we're just gonna stir it for another minute or two, and then we're gonna start building our meals. Alright guys, so the bubur is ready! So I've got my congee right here, so you wanna just come in and look at it. Look at that. So it's all cooked, all nice, disintegrated spices as well. I'm gonna build my meals. Awesome! Can you guys look at this? I just opened the lid and oh, look at how amazing this is. See? It's been reduced. The water is a little bit off and it is ready to go. So we're gonna build our meals. So I'm gonna be putting one serve on the plate and then I'm gonna make two for meal prep. All right, let's do this. It looks amazing, isn't it? Alright guys, so that's it. So 3 meals called the Bubur Lambuk. Make sure you check out the full recipe on my website, mealprep.asia. And if you really like this video, give me a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll see you guys again next week. Take care.